So you can always make use of MediaSFU's HTTP endpoint to in real time have an idea of what's happening with your calls uh, and control them as needed. At the extreme end, and in the low code situation, if you would want to use MediaSFU's platform and kind of log in your calls and then having control in terms of joining and then monitoring, as well as having a nice UI to start your calls and the like, then you probably want to check out our telephony solution. Um, and by default, MediaSFU just charges a fraction, which is currently free, a fraction of what you would have paid for your meeting minutes. MediaSFU just bills you for real-time media transmission. You don't bill anything else. But on top of this, if you're using MediaSFU telephony solution, who have to manage your co-workers, their emailing authentication, their session, and everything dealing with running your call center. Maybe you just want it as a log to see the video transcripts, your summary, and whatever that happened with your agent's calls. You particularly probably don't want to use it to handle incoming calls physically. It's still a good point to kind of check out and then maybe test and see how it goes. So to enable that, you're just gonna probably just go to the dashboard. And in our dashboard, we have our profile. In our profile, we have the option to turn on telephony support. Like check this, um, it's going to become active. It means now I'm going to have an extra call logs part, which details all your call logs you'd you'd get so far as you have telephony support. Now, this is just not the end. So far as you have telephony support, it means you can go to telephony.mediasfu.com. So I'm gonna go to telephony.mediasfu.com. So and in here, if I go to the login side, I'm gonna use my um, credentials. It's the one. It's the same single sign-on credential as you have with MediaSFU.com. If you have an account there, you just log in here with the same stuff. If you sign in here or you sign up here, it reflects on the MediaSFU's own side. So just quick overview. If you with your dashboard, you have things like as a user, I can manage sub users, which I don't have now. For example, profile has some details there. Um, the call logs, which you don't have anything yet. Detailed analytics, nothing yet. Your sub users, your workers that work under you. If you as a user want to manually handle calls, and calls that come through that needs human intervention, you probably want to create a sub-user profile under your own account so that you can be assigned to a call. MediaSFU doesn't assign calls to main users. So everything to do with the analytics, system management, call assignment rules. You can just modify them as you wish and then save the changes. Um, queue stats or your agent overview with their working hours, and then how calls escalate, escalation rules, and how they escalate. And we're going to discuss this. And the critical part is in your call center. So in your call center, uh, you have an option to make outgoing calls. Like I described, outgoing calls starts from uh, creating within the room if you want to, and then you sit in the room first, adjust a couple of things, then place a call, or you can just hit um, the new call directly and In that case, you are leaving it up to the bot to just make the call. So you can make a call if you are in your system and it's a real call. You probably need a critical mode for things that need urgent attention. It's gonna come through here. So I'm just gonna demonstrate this briefly. So while I'm in this, I'm gonna place a call. Now, although the bot automatically pick the call, I still have its incoming here from the caller display. So you see there's a call from caller, the detail, and uh, I'm just trying to indicate what you have in here. As a human, I can join this call now by clicking the button, have operations like end the call, hold the call, advanced controls like play real-time text, assuming you don't want to verbally communicate, you can just play text, transfer to someone else, um, see the real-time transcript and summary as they come through when they are generated. Then the notes, you can add manual notes to your calls from from one agent to another to kind of give them a hint of what's happened with the call. So that's that just demonstrates real time uh, call happening and uh, using MediaSFU to control the call as you need to or make an outgoing call. Uh, and it's the low level, just the log of whatever happened with your call and analyzing how it goes. So this kind of ends. I'm just going to end the call from here as a demo. So if I end the call from here, I'm going to leave this and say confirm, and my call has terminated the call logs, uh, the call. So that's essentially what you get within your Quick dashboard in terms of advanced call center operations with a mix of human and AI agents, or basically just a way to access your logs. Now, just for last review, we can go back to our dashboard. So we go back to our dashboard. We have our incoming call log to the room name and all the details for you in the dashboard to easily access and analyze as and when you need to. So thank you very much for following this guide. Initially try to make it as brief and short as possible, but still in depth and kind of show how easy it is to run your course on MediaSFU, and particularly at the cheapest rate, probably 100 times, 200 times more if you're just running, 200 times, 100 times less compared to other participants if you're just running your own handling of course. And even for AI agents, the flow of AI agents, 25 times to 50 times less than what you could pay elsewhere, and if such is. Thank you.